Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we are going to work on the project Potentiometer Lamp. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the positive of the potentiometer, then its negative to the ground, then its output to whichever LED we need to glow, for example this one. So we will connect it to its positive terminal, then its negative to the ground. Now, whenever we twist this potentiometer, the LED is supposed to glow and change its intensity. So let's see. This is the brightest state and this is its lowest. See how it changes its intensity when we twist the potentiometer. And this is how it's done.